Hey guys, it's me, Zach. This is gonna be a little weird, but since I figured this math problem out, and seems to be a little difficult, I'll show you guys how to do it. So let's start with this problem. This is factor by grouping. If anyone in my math class is watching, I'm doing 7A of quadratics. And this is question 6. So we have this question here, this, and if you turn it into like blah blah in parentheses times blah blah in parentheses, and you get the same quadratic here. So you can see we have a parabola. This is what this is called. This little line here, I'll highlight it like this, so you can see it's got x-intercepts and this and that. So what you want to do first is you want to figure out, and I forget, but basically you want to figure out two numbers that multiply to 63 times negative 20, which, like, you put that in the calculator, it's negative 1,260, but they also have to add to 52, negative 52. So what I did, I'll show you, I got into Desmos, and this is my favorite thing to do here. I don't recommend it, I might be cheating, but you do this. This y equals, and you need that to be negative 52 in this case. And then you do x times y equals, and you need that to be negative 1,260 here. And then you zoom out until you find a place where they cross. So here's two places, they're the same. You got negative 70 and 18, and you got 18 and negative 70. Those will be the same thing. So for this case, I chose negative 70 and 18. So what I did, was I took that, and so you do this. In parentheses, you put the first number of this. You put 63 Q. I'm okay. Just for simply, I'm gonna do X. But yeah, this is gonna be X for this. But the question in my test is Q. So we got X, and then we're gonna do squared. Alright, and then move this over. Go on. Alright. And you put in a number that worked well. So for this, the number that works well with this is negative 70. I'll show you why that's important later. And so you do that. And then you put an addition sign here, and you start the next thing. And that will be your other number, which is 18x. Put the x after it. And I gotta do this actually. I'm doing it wrong. You're gonna put the x after this one too. If I just double check. Yes, you do. Alright, don't look at that. I already did this once. So then you do that, and you put your last number, this one, negative 20 in this case. And you have, as you can see, the same parabola. If I click between them, you see the line is the same. So now what you want to do is find a divisible. This is why this is important. So 63 and negative 70. The best thing that comes out of this, if you divide them by 7, you'd get 9q and negative 10. So we're going to do that, and this is how you do it. So you divide by 7x, and then you'd be left with, since you divide it, you now only have 9x, no squared, because you've divided it, minus 10, like this. And they never tell you to do this, but the next one, it's the same thing. So I found these were the best divisible by 2. But, and Desmos will not understand if you do not put an addition sign if you're dividing the second thing in parentheses by a positive number. So you do that, and in this case it'll be 2. Do this, so that will be left over. It will be 9x minus 10. And you may see that in the parentheses, it's the same thing. Both parentheses have 9q minus 10. So then, what you want to do is you take these two numbers. So you got 7x plus 2. That'll be your first parentheses. 7x plus 2, like that. And the second one, like this, will be what's in the parentheses before. 9x minus 10. And you can see if I click through all these, look at the parabola, they're all the same. And that's how you do it. 4 easy steps. But don't worry if this takes you long to watch this video a few times, because it took me multiple days to get this. But once I got it, I steamed through it. So good luck, you guys.